What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, my name is Maya.
If I like it, then that's what I get. Yeah, I want it, I got it, I want it.
In today's video, as you can see, I mean, look at the fit, look at the hair, look at the face, the ears. We have to clean. It's a deep clean day. Welcome to a day in my life, deep cleaning this entire apartment. Let's get into it. The dryer wasn't going this entire time. That was probably just like the biggest letdown of my entire life. I literally started this laundry like 4 hours ago and the dryer wasn't going at all. So now we're gonna put behind, but we have all these clothes and I think I'm just gonna put them away. Also, these are literally my blue light glasses. I don't know why I have them on when I'm not looking at any electronic, but let's clean. Oh my god. Guys, these clothes were in the dryer for like 2 weeks. I know. I just get really lazy, like having to put my clothes away. It's like I don't mind putting them in, pressing the button, like that's not the problem. It's just putting them away. Like this is just so boring to me, especially because I actually need to organize my closet. It is a big mess, so I need to organize it, but I feel like I don't have time for that today. But once I have my closet organized, I probably won't mind putting clothes away, but. So this was originally just gonna be me putting this laundry away real quick and then probably gonna go like do the dishes or something, but I don't have that much more to do in here, so I think I'm just gonna put it all together, sweep the floors, fix my pillows, and then be done in here. And then I could be like one room checked off, which makes me happy. I also need to go into my bathroom because there's something that's really been bugging me that I just haven't done. So I have to do that, then we're gonna do dishes, then we're gonna sweep, then probably have to put away all the laundry again because it'll be done by then. And I need to wipe all the countertops down because those are like really messy too. But other than that, I mean, I literally just gave a list of like 30 things, but other than that, it shouldn't be too much work, but you know, deep clean. If you guys were wondering, I'm listening to Dead Man Walking by Brent Faiyaz. It came out yesterday, but when this goes up, it might be up for like a week or two at this point, but super good song, 10 out of 10 recommend. You guys should go listen to it if you haven't. So my room is now clean. There's just one more thing to do, and that is to get my diffuser going. So here's my diffuser. This one is from like Home Goods, I think. If you want to know exactly where like everything's from specifically, you guys can go watch my apartment decor haul, which was actually up like a while ago. But if you don't know, which I'm sure you do, diffusers, you just fill them with water, obviously. Then you put in your favorite essential oil. If you don't know, if you can't tell, I mean Disney. I love Disney World. And the last time I was there, we came across this shop in Disney Springs, which had this essential oil in it. And it's basically just a line of essential oils that smells like things in Disney. So this one smells like the resorts. So it's the Bose Signature Candles Resort Signature Scent. There's also a Cloverfield one, which will smell like Flight of Passage or Soaring if you've ever been on it. It just smells so good. So if I can make my apartment smell like Disney, I'm gonna do that. So I just put maybe a couple. That's kind of a lot, but we just put that in. I'm gonna let it start going, and then my room is complete. So room is complete, clean. We got the diffuser going, swept, and now we can move into the bathroom. My bathroom is not that bad. It probably could just use a good sweep, fix that, and we'd be good to go. But the thing that has been bugging me, you ready to hear it? Basically, I ran out of body wash and I like to put them in these cute bottles because I don't want this showing, but I was just too lazy to do it at the time, so I just had this sitting in the shower and it's like really been bugging me and I don't know why I haven't just done it. I think I was trying to prolong the experience because it's actually like, you see, it's like really hard to put it in here. Guys, do you see why I dreaded doing this? It has been like 5 minutes and there's still like nothing in this. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow, okay. After like 30 minutes, we finally did it, but amazing. Now I can go back to enjoying my showers and not cringing every time I take one. Let me fix my hair for you guys so you don't have to look at that. There we go. This is a little better. So for the bathroom, I just need to put away this stuff, clean the counters off, sweep the bathrooms, done, then sweep the living room, do the dishes, wipe the counters down, and then I'm done. So maybe I thought this was gonna be way more work than it actually was because it's only 6:30. So for the bathroom, I use the Method Antibacterial Bathroom Cleaner in Spearmint, and I actually use Method amongst the entire house, not just my bathroom. This is just the bathroom one specifically, but I'm gonna get paper towels, spray it down, super easy. I wasn't a big cleaner person before I got my own apartment, so I don't know much about like the different cleaning products and whatnot, but this works pretty well and I like how it smells. And then we're gonna put some stuff in my diffuser again and move on to the next room. So same routine for this oil diffuser. This one actually has a little bit left in it, so I'm just gonna dump that, refill some of my Lucky essential oil in my pocket. Can you see it? I don't think you can see it. You can kind of see it, like that. Bathroom complete. Now to the main part. Living room is fine. It's just the kitchen because all right, so laundry's going in the back and that is very loud, so try to ignore it. But I think what I'm gonna do first is just like wipe down all the counters because I want to wash the dishes, but then they'd have to be on the counter, which would then mess up me washing the counters. I don't know. So yeah, we're just gonna do the counters. I think I'm literally gonna take everything off, spray them down real good, wipe it real good, just really like disinfect. This is gonna take me like no time. It's the washing the dishes that takes a while. So actually, question. Okay, so this might come to a surprise to some people, but I didn't really wash dishes at home. I know like it's standard to have like chores and stuff in your house, but like I just didn't do the dishes. Like I obviously cleaned, I just didn't do the dishes. So I don't really know like efficient ways to do them. It kind of takes me a little bit because I'm like, oh my God, is there more things on it? Like whatever. It is what it is, and like I'm sure with practice, like I'll get better and get quicker. And I know this is one of those problems that's like really Maya, like really. But I mean, it's a problem that I'm having, so. Okay, now we're gonna deep clean because do you guys see this? Look how messy this is. Like, oh, that one's clean, so I don't use it, but like the fact that it got to this is like freaking me out. And then like, look at the floor. Do you see that? Do you see that? Do you see that? I'm like so disappointed I let it get to this. But we're cleaning now, so it's fine, but yeah. Everything's wiped down. Now we can put back all my decorations. It smells so good and it's so clean. It makes me so happy when it's clean because it reminds me of like when I moved in and it was all nice and I don't even know what I'm saying right now. All the countertops are cleaned and pretty and smelling good now, but the laundry just went off, so I'm gonna go throw this on my bed, switch this load, and then I guess do dishes, but the clothes away, I don't know. Ugh. Okay, we're just gonna leave it. As you guys just saw, the laundry's going again, so sorry for the noise, but when it came to doing my dishes, I was really set on not having a drying rack because I was like, they're so ugly and bulky and I don't want them to be like the center of attention, but then like I don't have anywhere to put it either if I have one, so I just use these mats instead. I do have like a drying rack that I got from IKEA, but I feel like I don't really use it. I feel like it's like this is fine. I don't need to do the extra work to pull it out, but I've been really liking these. Most of the time I will do my dishes at night and then wake up in the morning and I can put them away and put these away, and it's just perfect. No mess, it's not in the way. I really like it. So that's what I've been doing for my dishes. But yeah, let's just do them. There's not much to it. I hate this part, but it's okay. I am so happy. Dishes are done. This is what it looks like. I mean, kind of hectic, kind of all over the place, but they'll be dry a little bit. We'll just put them away. I think I'm just gonna sweep up the living room, fix the couches like I was saying, put my laundry away, and then we are literally done. But we lost a nail. I'm actually low-key sad because I was just telling everyone how long my nails had lasted, because it's been like 3 weeks now, but I was like pulling bowls apart and just flipped off. I'm just gonna glue it back on, but perfect. Wow. See, I was getting acrylic nails like since I was in 6th grade, and then I stopped during quarantine. And I literally got them 3 weeks ago for the first time. So funny, but we love a quick nail fix. I could have put that on better, but it's okay. Okay, everyone. We are in the final last home stretch. Just gotta put that away and then we are good to go. This camera is literally going to die any second now, so I'm gonna put this away as fast as I can, end this video, and yay! I don't know, I'm just so happy to be done cleaning because I don't enjoy this. Wow, 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 we are done. Can you tell how happy I am right now? It's also really hot, wow. So that is gonna be the end of this video. Thank you guys so much if you stayed along for this long. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you leave me some comments down below, any suggestions you might have, or tell me if you like cleaning or don't like cleaning, because I'm so curious. All my socials will be right here on the screen, as well as in the description box down below. I post every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday at 12 o'clock, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any more content. But I will see you guys in my next video, and I'm just so happy this is cleaned. Wow. Okay, bye guys.